Hello everyone. Welcome to the series on chapter 1 of CBSE class 11th maths sets. Today's topic is about the representation of sets. How do you represent sets mathematically? My name is Tejesh Kalki from 2 Academy. Now let's get started. First of all, you might know that a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Here objects can also be called elements or items of the set. So for example, the set of first 5 natural numbers. Sets are usually denoted by capital English alphabet. So therefore, let's name this capital A. So therefore, capital A is the set of first 5 natural numbers. But this is a statement that just describes the set. How do you represent that mathematically? To do that, there are two different ways. The first is the roster form or tabular form, and the other is the set builder form. So first, let's see the roster form or tabular form of the set. In this form, you will list the elements in the set separated by commas and enclosed in flower or curly braces. Seems simple, right? So let us consider for our given set of first 5 natural numbers. Clearly, first 5 natural numbers are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So we have listed the elements and now we have to separate by commas and finally enclosed within flower or curly braces. And this is our required set capital A. Capital A is equal to the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are two important things related to the roster form of the set. The first is that the elements in the set must be unique. That is, you can't repeat the same element multiple times. And the other is that the order of the elements does not matter. So here, instead of writing the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can write the set of 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. And this is also the same set capital A. That is, you can write in any order and it will be the same set. Now let's move on to the set builder form of the set. Here, as the name says, it is the set builder form. Here, instead of listing the elements directly, you will create a builder of the set. How you will do that is the elements of the set will satisfy a particular property that is only satisfied by these elements. That is, any element outside the set will not satisfy this property. You will represent the set by using that property. The notation for this is first you will use curly braces to denote that it is a set, and then you will name a generic element in the set X. Generic element means that X will represent any random element in the set. And then you will use a colon which is read as such that followed by the property of the set that we have specified here. Seems simple, right? Once again, let's see for our given example, set of first 5 natural numbers. So here to represent this in the set builder form, first you will use curly braces to denote it is a set and the generic element X such that here, first of all, you know that X must be a natural number, right? So that's what you'll write first. X is a natural number. But if you write just that, it means that elements such as 6, 7, 9 will also be in the set. But here, you need to only specify the first 5 natural numbers. All these should not be in the set. To do that, you will add another property by writing and x is less than or equal to 5. And this is the set builder form representation of our given set capital A. When reading this, you will read this as capital A is equal to the set of all x such that x is a natural number and x is less than or equal to 5. So these are the roster form and set builder form representations of the set. Now let us see another example. The set of letters in the word represent. Let us call this set capital B. So first, let's represent this in the set builder form. So to represent that, you'll first write the name of the set. Capital B is equal to, you'll use flower braces to denote that it is a set and the generic element X such that, and here we need to specify the property of the elements in the set. Here you can see that the properties is that they are the letters in the word represent. So that is what we'll do here. X is a letter of the word represent. So this is the set builder form representation of the set. But what about the roster form or tabular form of the set? So first, let us write down the letters in the word which are represent. So these are the letters in the word. And now we have to list the elements in the set separated by commas enclosing flower braces for the roster form, right? So first let us list the elements. First we have the element capital R and then E followed by P. But here we have the letter R which is repeated, and we know that the elements in the set must be unique. So therefore you will not write that once again. And here E is also repeated, so you won't write that as well. And then we have the letter S followed by E which is once again repeated, so therefore you will not write that again. And finally N and T. So this is the roster form representation of our given set capital B. Capital B is equal to the set of R, E, P, S, N, T. But note that the order of the elements does not matter. So instead of writing as the following, you can write this as capital B is equal to the set of E, P, S, R, N, T. So both of these will represent this same set capital B. Now let us see another example for this. So the third example is the set of squares of all natural numbers. Let us call this the set capital C. So first let's see the roster form or tabular form of the set. The squares of natural numbers are nothing but 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, but you have to write this until infinity, right? In sets, when you have infinite number of elements, after some elements, you can just write 3 dots, which specifies that they will continue in the same fashion until infinity. So now by squaring each of these, you will get the elements 1, 4, 9, 16, and so on. So this is the roster form representation of the set capital C. Simple, right? But what about the set builder form? For the set builder form, you'll first write the curly braces to denote that it is a set and a generic element X such that here we need to specify a particular property of these elements. Here that property is these elements are squares of all natural numbers. So you can write the same thing. X is a square of natural number. So this is the set builder form representation of the set capital C. But actually, you can represent this another way. Let's see what that is. Capital C is equal to the set of all x such that here instead of saying x is a square of natural number, you can say x is equal to n squared, where n is a natural number. So both of these will represent the same set capital C. In the first case, you said that it is a square of natural number, but here we said x is a square of some number n, where n is a natural number. As you can see, both of these will represent the same set, right? Now let us see an example problem based on this. Convert the following sets from roster form to set builder form and vice versa. So here you are given 6 different sets. The first 3 you have to convert from the roster form to set builder form, and the next 3 from the set builder form to roster form. So let's try to convert them. So here for the first set, you can notice that they are the first 5 odd natural numbers. So that's what you will use to represent the set in the set builder form. Capital A is equal to the set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. But here you can notice that it ends with 9. So therefore you have to specify and x is less than 10. So this is the set builder form representation of the set. But what about the second set? Here you can notice that we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on, which are all clearly natural numbers. But they started with the number 5, so therefore you have to specify greater than or equal to 5. The first 4 natural numbers should not be in the set. So that is what you'll use to represent the set in the set builder form. Capital B is equal to the set of all x such that x is a natural number and x is greater than or equal to 5. So this is the set builder form of the set capital B. Now let's see the third set. Here clearly you can note that A, E, I, O, U are nothing but the vowels in English alphabet. So that is what you will use to represent the set in the set builder form. Capital C is equal to the set of all x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. So this is the set builder form of the set capital C. Now let's try to convert these sets from this set builder form to the roster form. So here the fourth one is that capital D is the set of all x such that x is a prime number and x is less than 20. So we have to list the prime numbers that are less than 20. They are clearly 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. And now you have to separate them with commas and enclose within curly braces. So this is the roster form representation of the set capital D. And then we have capital E, which is the set of all x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. So now we have to list the letters in the word mathematics. First we have the letter M and then A, T, H, E. But here comes a twist. Here we have the letter M which is repeated. So therefore you can't write that. And once again letter A is also repeated. So you won't write that as well. And then we have the letter T which is also repeated, so therefore you won't write that. And finally we have I, C and S which are not repeated. So this is the roster form representation of the set capital E. And now we have the final one. Capital F is the set of all x such that x is a divisor of 56. So first of all, you have to write 56 in the form of a product of two numbers. So you can write that as 56 into 1, or you can write that as 28 into 2, or 14 into 4, or finally 7 into 8. So based on this, we have 8 different factors of the number 56. So now we just have to list them out to form a set. We have 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. So this is the set builder form representation of the set capital F. So now you have a clear idea on how to represent sets in the set builder form and the roster form respectively. Thanks for watching the video. To see more such videos, please subscribe to the channel to not miss any future uploads.